Welcome to Starfish. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to one of the most enigmatic regions in the world, the Darien Gap between Panama and Colombia. This remote area is not just a physical barrier. It is a rich tapestry woven with natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and significant human challenges. The Darien jungle, with its steep mountains, muddy swamps, and dense forests with turbulent rivers and dangerous wildlife, presents a formidable terrain. These harsh environmental conditions, coupled with high humidity and heavy rainfall, make it nearly impossible to build infrastructure such as roads or bridges. This lack of infrastructure complicates the ability of authorities to effectively patrol and manage the region. The Darien jungle has earned a long-standing reputation as an impenetrable area, deterring both migration and law enforcement efforts. The geography of the Darien Gap. This region stretches approximately 100 miles, encompassing dense jungles and rugged landscapes. The lush vegetation predominantly features tropical rainforests and swamplands. This region is remarkable for its biodiversity, hosting an array of ecosystems that contribute to its intricate beauty. This stunning natural environment comes with considerable challenges. Navigating through the thick jungle can be perilous. The Darien Gap. We must acknowledge the significant dangers posed by its harsh landscape. While the wildlife is breathtaking, it can also be deadly. Venomous snakes and aggressive insects are just a few of the potential threats that lurk in the underbrush. The weather is notoriously unpredictable, with torrential rains and sudden storms creating treacherous conditions for anyone daring enough to enter. The dense jungle can easily disorient travelers, making it all too easy to lose one's way amidst the towering trees and complex foliage. The natural world to the social dynamics within the Darien Gap. This area is not only a geographical challenge. It also serves as a microcosm of human interaction. Local gangs operate within the region, posing additional risks for those attempting to traverse this dangerous route. The presence of these gangs complicates life for both residents and migratory groups, turning the journey through the gap into a perilous endeavor. Alongside these challenges, we meet the indigenous tribes who have thrived in harmony with this environment for centuries. Their deep knowledge of the land and its resources offers invaluable insights essential for understanding this unique region. The Darien Gap represents more than just a daunting geographical obstacle. It is a pathway toward a better life. Migrants from various parts of South America risk the dangerous journey through this treacherous terrain, seeking refuge and opportunities in North America. The migrant trail is fraught with hardships, including extreme weather conditions, food shortages, and the ever-present threat of violence. Despite these daunting obstacles, the resilience and determination of these individuals and families highlight the unyielding human spirit and the quest for new beginnings. The Darien Gap is truly a land of extremes, where nature's beauty intertwines with the harsh realities of human existence. As we reflect on this journey, we are reminded of the extraordinary resilience displayed by those who live, travel, and strive within this challenging environment. If you found this exploration enlightening and wish to learn more about the stories hidden within the Darien Gap, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, great adventures often lie on the other side of challenges. Stay tuned for more explorations in our upcoming videos.